Welcome to TechLipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add ChatGPT on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After that, open any document. Now if you want to add ChatGPT option or function in this document, just click on Home tab. After that, at the top right corner you can find the Add Ins option. Just click here. From here, find ChatGPT for Excel. That's it. Also, if you cannot find it here, then you can search for ChatGPT. You have to just put the cursor here and then type chat for Excel or ChatGPT for Excel. Then just click on add option and give it a moment, and that's it. Now here at the corner you can see ChatGPT has been added successfully. So just click here and it's done. Now here you can find some options. You can see how to use. You can see some tutorial here. Also from here you can check your settings. And that is how you can add ChatGPT on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.